Hey, welcome back to TinkerTricks. I wanted to show you a little shortcut I found for replacing things. If, let's say, you have a bunch of pegs like this, and you're like, oh no, the pegs are too small, I want to change them. You know, this isn't really something Tinkercad should be used for, but it can be used for. I just learned there's a neat shortcut with your keyboard that can be used to simplify this process. So what you do is you make your cylinder that's the right size. You center it over the new cylinder. And then the trick is you press Control D. You copy it, Control C, and Control D. And what that shortcut does is it puts it exactly over the object you're selecting. So if I click on this object and I hit Control D, it creates an exact copy of it exactly over it. And the neat thing is let's say I make my object, I say Control D, I'm going to start all the way over here, okay? I'm going to say Control D, it creates a copy here. If I then move it, just manually, you can't do it with the Align tool, but this is not one of the situations where it needs to be perfect. If you align it, if you put it where it's supposed to be, and then you hit Control D again, look at that. Pop, 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 pop. You get that whole row, and now I can do the same thing. I can make this. I can put all of these together. I'm just going to select all of them and group them. And now I can do the same thing. Look, Control D, they're on top of each other. Move them over to where they're supposed to be. That looks good. And Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, and I'm done. That saved me a lot of time. Hope you appreciated that, and bye-bye.